Here's how to play the Bob Dylan song, Knocking on Heaven's Door. Standard tuning, no capo, and the same chord progression throughout the entire song. The first chord we want to play in this song is a G major chord. The second finger on the left hand on the 3rd fret of the low E string. First finger, 2nd fret of the A string. And the 3rd finger on the high E string at the 3rd fret. We're going to have an open G, D and B alongside those. For the strumming, we'll be strumming down, down, down. Then we're going to swap to our second chord, which is a D major chord. Have an open D string. Got first finger, 2nd fret of the G string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the B string, and then the 2nd finger on the high E string at the 2nd fret. Same strumming, down, 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 down. So I'll be swapping between those two chords, G, down, 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 up, to the D, down, down, down. Take your time getting used to that chord change and practice slowly. G, down, 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 up, and D, down, down, down. The third chord we go to is an A minor chord. Got the open A string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the D string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret of the G, 1st finger, 1st fret of the B, and an open high E string. The strumming starts off the same as before, down, 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 up. Then we're going to strum up, down, down, up, down. So up, down, down, up, down. So the whole strumming on the A minor chord would be down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. One more time slowly. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so far we have the G, down, 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 up to a D, down, 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 up to A minor, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Second time through starts off exactly the same. We have G, down, 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 up, D, down, 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 up. Then we swap to a C major chord instead of the A minor chord. So we have 3rd finger on the A string at the 3rd fret, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the D, open G, 1st finger, 1st fret of the B, and an open high E string. Strumming is the same as the A minor chord, so down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so the second time through would be G, down, 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 up, D, down, 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 up to that C chord, down, 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 up, down, down, down. One more time, G, down, 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 up, D, down, 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 up, and then the C, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. So the whole thing, G, D, A minor, G, D, C. One more time, G, D, A minor, G, D, and C. As always, make sure you jam along with the original song. It will really help you improve a lot quicker and improve many aspects of your guitar playing. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.